This budget puts us on that path through a market-based cap on carbon pollution that will make renewable energy the profitable kind of energy, through investments in wind power and solar power, advanced biofuels, clean coal, and more fuel-efficient American cars and American trucks. The list goes on, but the point is this. This legislation will finally make clean energy the profitable kind of energy. For the sake of our economy and our children, we must build on the historic bill passed by the House of Representatives and make clean energy the profitable kind of energy so that we can end our dependence on foreign oil and reclaim America's future. That's why I've asked Congress to close some of the biggest tax loopholes exploited by some of our most profitable corporations to avoid paying their fair share, or in some cases paying taxes at all. And that's what we want to do going forward, so that it's profitable for American businesses to sell the discoveries made by scientists at Penn State and other hubs of innovation. It's time to end taxpayer giveaways to an industry that's never been more profitable and use that money to reduce our deficit and double down on a clean energy industry that's never been more promising. And outside of Congress, does anyone really think that's still a good idea? I want this Congress to stop the giveaways to an oil industry that's never been more profitable and invest it in a clean energy industry that's never been more promising. That's why today I'm announcing a set of proposals to crack down on illegal overseas tax evasion, close loopholes, and make it more profitable for companies to create jobs here in the United States. The list goes on, but the point is this. This legislation will finally make clean energy the profitable kind of energy. Last Friday, the House of Representatives passed an extraordinary piece of legislation that would make renewable energy the profitable kind of energy in America. From the Rift Valley to the North African deserts, from the western coasts to South Africa's crops, Africa's boundless natural gifts can generate its own power while exporting profitable, clean energy abroad. We also think it's a good thing that they're profitable again, because if they're profitable, that means that they have reserves in place and they can lend. Why is that? Well, part of it is because it's all been taken up in increased healthcare costs, even if the companies are profitable. And as Americans save more and Chinese are able to spend more, we can put growth on a more sustainable foundation. Because just as China has benefited from substantial investment and profitable exports, China can also be an enormous market for American goods. Now, insurance companies are already really profitable. Insurance executives don't do this because they're bad people. They do it because it's profitable. We will move forward with investments to transform our energy economy while providing incentives to make clean energy the profitable kind of energy. Even as we seek to create a system of incentives to make clean energy the profitable kind of energy in America. For at our best, this nation has... Now they're getting nervous, and they, by the way, they have been wildly profitable over the last decade. And this is when you're going to start seeing a whole bunch of those ads. And